Welcome to Tools Query. Today, we're digging deep into the world of wheelbarrows. But with so many options out there, it's hard to find out the best one. In this video, we'll compare capacities, materials, wheel types, and even fancy features you didn't know existed. By the end of this video, you'll be a wheelbarrow whisperer, able to pick the best one for your soil, your strength, and your budget. So grab your gloves, channel your inner farmer, and let's roll. Number 1. Suncast LC1250D 15.5-gallon wheelbarrow. One of the standout features of the Suncast LC1250D is its incredible capacity. This deep wheelbarrow can hold up to 5 cubic feet of soil, bricks, mulch, gravel, and more. It's equipped with 13-inch inflatable rubber wheels that provide a sturdy build and make it easy to steer on various terrains. It's not just any ordinary handle. It not only ensures a comfortable grip, but also doubles as a stand for idle use. It's crafted with a sturdy plastic bin that can withstand the rigors of heavy use. Number 2. Best Choice Products SKEY 2705 Gardening Wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow has a 5 cubic foot capacity, so you can haul a lot of material in one trip. The dual-wheel design provides stability and makes it easy to steer the wheelbarrow on even the roughest terrain. The padded handlebar makes it comfortable to move the wheelbarrow, even when it's loaded with heavy materials. The wheelbarrow is made with a powder-coated steel frame and a durable plastic bin, so it can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Number 3. Garden Star 70019 Gardening Wheelbarrow. One of the standout features of the Garden Star 70019 Gardening Wheelbarrow is its 2 air-filled tires and loop handle, making it incredibly easy to lift, balance, and maneuver around your garden. It's designed to carry multiple bags of mulch, dirt, gravel, or sand, making it perfect for a wide range of gardening projects. The Garden Star 70019 Gardening Wheelbarrow has got you covered. It's a versatile tool that every gardener needs in their arsenal. Number 4. Aerocart's GCR4 Poly Dump Wheelbarrow. The unique push or pull design offers effortless towing, and its maneuverability is outstanding. Whether you're navigating through tight spaces in your garden or garage, this cart's got your back. It's a real space saver in your shed or garage, allowing you to keep your workspace organized. This heavy-duty garden cart can handle all your essentials with ease. The 30-inch into 24-inch bed, made of sturdy poly tub, is not only easy to clean, but also rust-resistant. Number 5. WORX WG050 Aerocart 8-inch Wheelbarrow. The WORX WG050 Aerocart boasts a turbo-lift design, which is like having super strength. It can make 200 pounds feel as light as approximately 17 pounds. One of the standout features of this product is its incredible versatility. The Aerocart has rugged tires that will never need inflating, so you can always get a smooth ride. By shifting the fulcrum and center of gravity, it optimizes each job, making tasks easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best wheelbarrow is the one that complements your gardening style and conquers your terrain. So consider your needs, explore your options, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty testing things out. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more Tools Query. Happy gardening!